Arpit, your voice is very nice. I like it. From where are you
Thank you,
speaking?
sir.
Which city? Which city are you living?
Sir, I am living in Nagpur, Maharashtra.
Oh, middle part. That is why it is coming so nicely. You're in the middle of India, you know. That's more or less good.
Yes, sir.
Now, आपने हिंदी में बोलना चाहते हैं और अंग्रेजी में बोलना चाहते हैं?
सर, मेरा इंटरव्यू रायपुर में है सर।
रायपुर में, रायपुर देर इज
छत्तीसगढ़।
छत्तीसगढ़। आप उधर आई थिंक मोस्टली हिंदी में बात
छत्तीसगढ़,
करेंगे।
यस सर।
उधर लोग, उधर सा लोग तो ज्यादा
हाँ सर।
हिंदी में बात करेगा। आप बोलिए, आपका बारे में बता दीजिए।
हाँ, यस सर। सर, I Arpit Panchal from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I completed my 10th from Mahatma Gandhi School. During my schooling, uh, I was a team member of a under 14 cricket team, which won a state level winner of 2005. During my schooling, I also passed NCC C certificate examination. After my schooling, I completed my polytechnic from Nagpur, Maharashtra, and engineering in mechanical in 2014. After completing my graduation, I worked for Samsung India Electronics Private Limited for 2.5 years. Uh, in April 2017, I leave my job for some better growth opportunities to prepare for competitive exams. And in December 2019, I joined Life Insurance Corporation of India as a development officer. I worked in LIC for 3.5 years, and in July 2023, I resigned from LIC. I live with my father, mother, and younger sister. My father used to have a business of curtains. My mother runs a boutique, and my younger sister is working as a HR manager in Jewel Aerospace, Ahmedabad. My area of interest is cooking and playing Sudoku. And
Good.
the line which inspired me most is, if you risk nothing, you will risk everything.
What is that? What is that?
Hello?
If you risk nothing, pardon, pardon.
You will risk everything.
अच्छा अच्छा, इसका मतलब ये है आप बिना ट्राई करने से तो आपको पोजीशन कम होके जाएगा।
हाँ, मतलब
नेक्स्ट।
आप रिस्क ही नहीं लेंगे कुछ करने के लिए, तो फिर आप कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे।
गुड, वेरी गुड। अर्पित।
कैलकुलेटेड रिस्क तो लेनी चाहिए थोड़ी बहुत।
गुड अर्पित, नाइस
हाँ
है।
सर। हाँ।
how old are you? What is your age?
सर, आई एम 30 years old. सर, 30।
30. Good. Is it the first time you are trying for RRB, or you have tried earlier?
नो सर, इट्स द सेकेंड टाइम।
अच्छा, पहले बार क्यों आपको मिस हुआ? Is it because you scored less marks in written test?
Yes, sir. I scored very less marks in written examination. I didn't get a time to prepare for examination also.
अच्छा,
क्योंकि
how
LIC
many
में सर कंफर्मेशन का टाइम पीरियड चल रहा था तो।
how many marks did you score in the last time interview?
इंटरव्यू सर 9 marks आउट ऑफ 20।
तो बहुत कम है, क्यों? What happened?
हाँ।
It is very less. It is
सर उसका रीजन, हाँ हाँ
hmm.
हाँ, सर
Which
मुझे
question
टाइम ही नहीं मिला था एक्चुअली प्रिपेयर करने के लिए। और हाँ।
like that you have done this time also like that? Why did you come in the last minute? See, I have been teaching these children right for the last 20 days or so. You are aware of that? I have been conducting classes, I have been telling them and all. Ah, but doesn't matter. Now let us see how you take these questions.
यस।
So your
यस सर,
major
यस सर।
subject is mechanical engineering. Later on, you joined as development officer. How long did you work in LIC?
सर फॉर 3.5 years।
No, I just cannot appreciate you're leaving that job because were you not making targets properly?
No, sir, target was not an issue. But the main concern is that nowadays, our regulator, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority of India, is making such type of policies that will restrict my business and my future growth. My main job role is to recruit agents, and the policies of IRDA is making to remove agents as a mediator between policyholder and company.
Sir, because
So it will become
because
a saturation.
because everybody can operate online itself, correct?
Online also, and Bima Sugam, one of the portal is designing by IRDA, where customer can buy product directly from insurance companies with less premium.
Acha.
So in day by day digitization is going on, and such, so my job will not that become very fruitful in future,
Mm-hmm. Good,
and I will become age bad for other examinations also.
good. Now, what do you know about banks? What are they doing? Which bank do you have an account?
State Bank of India.
Now, what are banks are doing? What is the functions of banks? First, then tell me what are the functions of RRBs.
The main primary function of banks is to take deposit from public and lend it to public in higher interest rates.
Mm,
And the difference between the if a bank taking deposit from customer, he's paying interest to customers also, and
mm,
same the amount it lends to the business houses, some retail loans, credit,
mm, mm,
and charging higher amount, and the difference is known as spread. It's a profit of for banks.
mm.
This is the
Now,
main purpose for a bank.
good,
Rather
good.
than this, bank is
Now,
also providing some deposit.
what,
Hello?
what RRBs are doing? What is the
RRB
main,
is also
what
doing
is
the
the,
same work,
what is the
but the
main
area of
concern?
scope, uh,
Mm, main concern
main concern
of
for
RRB.
RRB is to give credit and banking facilities to rural areas especially, and small and marginalized peoples who require loan in small amount and or living in especially rural areas.
Mm,
And the main motto of scheduled commercial bank is to earn profit, and they usually don't open branches in rural area because of less opportunity to grab a business in those area and a high running cost. And RRB's main
mm.
priority focus is to give services to rural areas,
So you are willing to
small
be
towns also.
you are willing to be posted anywhere in India?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good.
And I
Now,
will be feel very obliged if I placed in rural area.
obviously, it will be a rural area. All RRBs are in rural area only.
Yes,
But mostly when, if at
yes,
all
sir.
you are
Yes, sir.
recruited, you will be posted in marketing department. That is, if I am MD of the bank or HR person of the bank, I will take you directly to that place or post you as manager. Manager to immediately nahi karega because I want you to get trained. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes. हाँ sir.
Now, what do you know about Kisan credit card?
सर किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड जो इनिशिएटिव है वो नबार्ड ने स्टार्ट किया था 1995 में। और किसान क्रेडिट कार्ड से अगर जो किसान से उनको शॉर्ट टर्म लोन्स जो चाहिए तो बैंक में जाके अप्लाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है। क्रेडिट कार्ड से वो पेपर वर्क कम हो जाता है, और जो डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज के लिए उनको जो लोन्स है वो क्रेडिट कार्ड से पेमेंट कर सकते हैं सर।
But आप थोड़ा ज़्यादा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. You have to read. You are not studied.
हाँ
You are
यस
not.
सर।
You are not prepared. And which RRBs are there in Maharashtra? Because you are belonging to Maharashtra. Tell me, what are the names of RRBs in
हाँ
Maharashtra?
सर, वन इज महाराष्ट्र ग्रामीण बैंक एंड सेकंड इज विदर्भ कोंकण ग्रामीण बैंक।
Which is the sponsoring bank for these two?
फॉर महाराष्ट्र ग्रामीण बैंक इज बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र,
Mm.
and for Vidarbh Konkan Gramin Bank is also, sir, I think Bank of Maharashtra only. But the area is divided between two banks. That Vidarbh Konkan will serve only in Vidarbh region, and for the rest of Maharashtra will serve by Maharashtra Gramin Bank.
You must know the names of chairman of these banks also. I think you would not have prepared. Have you prepared?
Uh, Little bit I'm preparing, sir.
या तो प्रिपेयर नहीं हुआ, सो इसलिए वो भी कर दीजिए, लर्न कर दीजिए. ओके.
हाँ सर.
नाउ प्लीज
Yes,
टेल
sir.
मी हु आर बैंक करस्पॉन्डेंट्स.
Banking correspondents are those people who's recruited by banks, and the main primary function of BC is to provide basic, very small basic services to hinterland areas where banks can't open their branches. For mainly open their bank account,
ऐसा नहीं है.
take deposit, and give money.
ऐसा नहीं है. नॉट ओपनिंग ब्रांच. डोंट लिंक ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सिंपली से bank correspondents keep the mini ATM with them and they visit the house of the customers and do banking services like receiving cash, making payment of cash, and other requirements like statement of account and other things. Okay. This fulfills the
Yes, sir. Yes,
gap.
sir.
This fulfills the gap. It's more or less like your agents, but slightly different from LIC agent. But normally, I have come across
Um,
LIC development officers, people leaving the job because they are not reaching targets. That's what I have come across, where people within 2 years before they're being confirmed, they leave the job because you are supposed to make 5 times your salary, as commission.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Such
Yes,
a
sir.
such a condition is not there for you after becoming DO.
Uh, Little bit, sir. It is become a little difficult to achieve a target, but not impossible.
No, 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 no. I
It's
am
a little
asking.
difficult to achieve
No, no.
target.
I am asking question.
Yes.
After becoming confirmed development officer, is there any
Uh,
condition that you have to reach the yearly targets or monthly targets or
yes, sir.
quarterly targets?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Up big. You
Yes,
also
sir.
must.
Yes, sir. After confirm also.
अच्छा. बिन बिना
Yes,
रीचिंग
sir.
क्या
After
बिना री
confirmation also you have a target.
बिना रीचिंग क्या करेगा?
सर अगर आपका टारगेट रीच नहीं होता है, आपका
हम्म.
टारगेट एक्चुअली कॉस्ट रेशो पे होता है सर. मतलब जितना आप ले रहे हैं 22% का कॉस्ट रेशो होना चाहिए आपका.
हम्म.
और अगर आप कॉस्ट रेशो 3 इयर्स अचीव नहीं करते तो आपको टर्मिनेट कर देते हैं.
अरे भाई, is it so? I wasn't
हाँ और
aware.
अगर
I
हाँ
I
और
was
अगर
not
किसी भी
aware.
फाइनेंशियल
किसी भी.
नहीं, वो टर्मिनेट कर देते हैं सर.
ओहो.
और
That is
कभी भी आपका फाइनेंशियल ईयर में भी आपका 150 के ऊपर कॉस्ट चली गई तो भी टर्मिनेट कर देते हैं सर.
2 years में 150 means 150.
150 कॉस्ट रेशो. हाँ,
अच्छा
कॉस्ट
अच्छा
रेशो.
अच्छा. I I don't understand cost. That is your
कॉस्ट
salary
रेशो
is
ऐसा होता है कि सर
co-
हमें प्रीमियम लाना होता है.
yeah,
हाँ हाँ.
your premium is 20 lakhs. Sorry, not 20 lakhs. Premium is 80 lakhs. 80 lakhs रख लीजिए.
35 lakhs.
35 lakhs.
हाँ हाँ
Oh,
हाँ.
you must get 35
हाँ
lakhs.
हाँ.
If you don't get 35, then it will be a negative point. Correct?
Yes, sir. It will be a negative point. You will if you not achieve your target in first year, then you will get a 60% FCA cut. Then in second year also FCA cut, then one decrement.
अरे भाई, FCA cut means what? FCA means
FCA is a fixed conveyance allowance which
oh,
you get every month. It's a part of salary.
that is being cut.
Fixed conveyance allowance. हाँ सर.
ये सब करने के लिए कौन देख रहे हैं? There is a chief development officer above you or your branch manager.
नो 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 नो. डिवीजन ऑफिस में एक कंसर्न पर्सन होता है, जो एओ होते हैं. वो डीओस का ही ये सब प्रोफाइल लिखते हैं डेली बेसिस पे, एवरी ईयरली ईयरली बेसिस
Oh,
पे.
administrative officers का काम है. अच्छा.
हाँ,
Very good.
एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर है, हाँ सर, सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट में।
Oh, very good, very good. So you are now in bank. You have come to this. थोड़ा ये वेबसाइट में जाके उधर में क्या क्या दिया वो सब पढ़ लीजिए ना. You have to read. Understand?
हाँ सर।
अच्छा, please tell me
हाँ
what is
सर।
financial
बट
inclusion? Acha, if you can't do
फाइनेंशियल
if you
इंक्लूजन,
no,
हाँ।
if you can't do everything, what I suggest is you at least go through these questions that have been shared to you in the folder given to you. Bilkul,
यस
these
यस
are
सर।
the questions asked to probationary officer. But if you are ready for that, you are at least 50% sure of getting selected as second scale to GBO. For example, these are silly questions,
यस सर।
but you must know this. What is NABARD subsidiaries? What is RBI subsidiaries? What is Green Revolution? What is
हाँ सर।
Mudra? What is GST slab? Then what is gold loan? What is your hypothecation or
यस।
pledge? ये सब अब पढ़ लिया और पढ़ना पड़ेगा.
इसमें से बहुत सी चीजें पता है सर, मुझे पढ़ी है मैंने।
पता पता है.
मैं आरबीआई ग्रेड बी के लिए पढ़ रहा था तब।
अच्छा, please tell me what is
हाँ।
RRB PO role. That not required. Customer based situation question about sibling. What type of crops are cultivated in our land? Please tell me which type of crops are grown in your district.
इन नागपुर, मेनली नागपुर इज फेमस फॉर हॉर्टिकल्चर क्रॉप, मेनली ऑरेंजेस। एंड सेकेंडली इन विदर्भ एरिया कॉटन इज ग्रोन इन एम्पल अमाउंट। in my position in rural area of Ramtek is where rice is grown in ample amount.
Yeah.
These are
What
the
is,
crops.
very good. What is SURFACE Act?
Securitization and reconstruction of financial asset enforcement of security interest act. This सर ये एक्ट से जैसे जो लोन एनपीएस वगैरह हो जाते हैं, तो इस एक्ट के कारण बैंक जो है उनको नीलाम करके पैसे रिकवर कर सकती है।
Good.
ये
What
एक्ट
is
उनको पावर देता है सर।
what is NPA?
एनपीएस नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट, जैसे अगर आपने कोई लोन लिया है और 90 डेज से ज्यादा उसका रीपेमेंट नहीं किया है तो वो एनपीए में चले जाता है, नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट हो जाता
Mhm. Then what will bank do once an account becomes NPA?
है। बैंक सर उसके लिए जो प्रोविजंस है, कस्टमर से कांटेक्ट करती है आप क्यों नहीं दे पा रहे हैं, और 1 साल से भी अगर ऊपर हो जाता है तो स्ट्रेस्ड एसेट में चले जाता है, और फिर 1 साल की भी ऊपर होगा तो लॉस एसेट में चले जाता है। फिर उसके पास में
No,
अगर
no,
कस्टमर रीपे नहीं कर
no,
रहा है तो उनको नोटिस भेजते हैं, और अगर फिर
no,
भी नहीं भेज रहा है तो उसको नीलामी कर देते हैं।
no, no. All this is wrong. What you said is wrong. So please go through the guidely material में कुछ information मिलेगा, उसको पढ़ लीजिए. That is above 90 days, it is
हाँ सर।
classified as NPA. Before that, it is classified as
हाँ हाँ।
D0, D1,
स्पेशल
D2,
मेंशन अकाउंट।
special mention account. Then once an account
हाँ हाँ
is
हाँ।
classified as NPA, it is classified as substandard, in which case bank has to
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
provide funds for based on whether it is a secured advance or unsecured advance. Then after 1 year, it is
ओके।
staying in substandard, it will be classified into doubtful assets. Then D1, D2,
ओके।
D3. So ये सब थोड़ा पढ़ना पड़ेगा. Please go through.
हाँ हाँ सर, हाँ।
And provision has to be made. Now, please tell me where is Andhra Bank now?
आंध्रा बैंक इज इन आंध्र प्रदेश सर।
Andhra Bank has been merged with Union Bank.
अच्छा, ओ उस टाइम, हाँ, ओके 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 ओके। मर्जर, ओके ओके ओके। आई जस्ट थॉट वेयर इट वाज लोकेटेड। ओके ओके ओके, सॉरी सर, सॉरी सर।
Indian Overseas Bank is merged with which bank?
इंडियन ओवरसीज, सर आई एम नॉट श्योर बट आई थिंक इट्स यूनियन बैंक।
This is tricky questions. Indian Overseas Bank has not been merged. It stays as it is. There is a talk that it is going to be privatized along with Central Bank of India. Just only talking stage, nothing's pakka. Doesn't matter. This is actually a
Yes,
question asked
yes,
last
yes.
year. Now, please tell me now what are the total number of RRBs?
So total number of RRBs right now is 43.
What
Until 2005, it's 196. I think.
you have confused me now. 43. Yeah, correct, correct, correct. Good. Mm, what is your hobby?
So cooking and playing Sudoku.
Mhm. Good. How do you spend one day nowadays after resigning from LIC?
So I wake up at 5:30 a.m. in the morning. After doing my morning activity, I go for a morning walk, do some yoga for 45 minutes. Then after taking a bath, I go to library in my college. It's open at 8 a.m. 8 a.m. till 7 p.m. I study there and then came back to my room and take my dinner at 7 p.m. And again, then I read newspaper for half an hour and then I revise current affairs and then go to sleep at approx 9:30 to 10 p.m.
Good, not bad. Mm, what is PM Kusum?
PM Kusum,
Mm,
प्रधानमंत्री एक मिनट,
This
किसान
is
ऊर्जा सुरक्षा एवं उत्तम महाअभियान कुसुम.
mm, so please get to know
Yes sir.
these schemes. PM Kisan Awas
हाँ,
JJBY SB ये सबको
हाँ,
पढ़ लीजिए.
किसान
Just go
ऊर्जा
through
सुरक्षा एवं उत्तम महाअभियान.
just go
हाँ
through
सर.
all these questions and prepare for them. You will be able to manage
Schemes.
them nicely. Not only schemes, ये सब questions को prepare
Yes
कर
sir.
दीजिए. Thank you. That will be best if you prepare
जी.
for
Yes
this. I wish you success. Please attend the interview and send the questions.
Yes sir. Okay sir.
Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you so
Hello.
much. But only problem is you have
Hello.
come very, very delayed. That is the thing. Best wishes.